Alright guys, today we're going to do the center. It is the center dash upgrades for the 2024 Mustang that has the premium audio B&O. As far as I know of, this is on the B&O. I'm not sure if it's on the other systems where you have the speaker in the center here. So there's a little emblem right here that shows that it does have the B&O in it. Now, what we're going to be doing is we're going to use a plastic pry tool, and we're going to pry this end up. We're going to try to dig into here on the sides, and let's go ahead and try that out right now. So I just grabbed my kit from iFixit. It's a multi-kit, so it has everything, bits and all. Even it comes with plastic pry tools such as this one right here. You just use a plastic pry tool to reach underneath, and we're gonna try to pop this out so we can get the speaker out of here. As you heard, one of them just came out, one of the clips. So I'm just kind of feeding this plastic pry tool around, and let me see if I can get the other one out now. Second one just came out. Let me try to get around there. Okay, there's a third one right there. So there's 5 clips. I'm on the last one. There's the 5th one. So 3, 4, 5. 3 right here on the right, and then 2 in the back. So this clip. All right, so we got the 7mm socket. We're gonna loosen up the center speaker right now. I'm going to show you the difference with the new speaker once I get it going, because we're going to record outside and we're going to record inside the house. So we got the speaker here, and what we're going to do is we're going to disconnect it. So pushed it right here. There's going to be a clip, and you're just going to push that, and it's going to disengage it. So we're going to, there you go. So you just push down on the clip on behind this right here. Pushes down, and then it clips in. So again, one more time. So it just clicked in. You just pop it out. And that's that.
I have decided to do a giveaway of the extra speaker. All you have to do is follow me and leave a comment on this video to be entered in on my YouTube Cruisin' Captures, and I will use a random comment picker on this video. Winner will be decided on Valentine's Day. Good luck, everyone.
This comes along with 2. So what we'll do is we're going to set along one of them aside because we don't need it, and we're just going to continue on with one that we do need. And it did come along with this wrapping right here in the box, which is, it helps seal the speaker to wherever you're mounting it at. So we're going to go ahead and put that on real quick. The tape, and then I just put it all around. I just kind of like lined it up and then trimmed it. That was it. So a pair of magnets, right? I used a pair of scissors, just clipped it from right here, both sides, clipped them only, and then now I'm gonna wire strip it. And Dorman gold-plated female disconnects, and they are the 16 by 14 gauge right here. And the wire is exactly at 14 gauge. Negative on left, so negative here. Perfect fit. Perfect fit. So negative on left side, and then we're gonna do the positive on the right side. And I'm putting, this is what they look like right here. Again, negative on the left, positive on right, and that's it. Now let's get ready to go back in the car and put this in there. Let's get this installed. So you see the words on top of the speaker? They're going to be facing away from you, so away from the car. So they're going to be upside down if you're looking at it. So that's the direction you're going to put it. So again, 7mm bolt into the holes where they originally were. This center speaker is not going to be airtight. There's holes all around the box where it holds and clips in. So Don't expect it to be airtight on this. What we're gonna do is we're gonna turn on the car now and play some music. Alrighty, so that was a little clip, a little audio clip of the install. After the install, it sounds way better in person. Really good upgrade. Again, like I was saying earlier, the speaker's not going to be completely sealed because there are holes open with it already. So don't be expecting the speaker to sit, you know, and completely sealed, because there's holes all around it that go under the speaker. Big upgrade. Really cheap upgrade. Like I said, it's 80 bucks for the speaker, but if you split half with your friend, if he has a similar Mustang, an S650, or if you know someone from the S650 community, you can sell it to them for 40 bucks, half off, and get half your money back. So we're gonna put the final piece on now back, and here we go. We're gonna line it up, the clips. There it is. It's all clipped in, just like nothing happened. All right, y'all have a good one. Don't forget to like, subscribe the video, and share it, please. It would really help me out. I'm trying to do little videos like this on the side, so stay tuned. Later.